Hello everyone and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix error code 100 in Minecraft. If you are trying to join your friend's multiplayer world in Minecraft Bedrock or Education Edition and receive a message stating unable to connect, please restart your client p2p/sig error code 100. Your game is actively failing to establish a peer-to-peer connection. I will show you exactly how to bypass this network block and join your friends right now. Let's get started. First, the most common and surprisingly hidden cause for this specific peer-to-peer error is that your device's internal clock is out of sync with the official servers, causing your multiplayer authentication token to instantly expire. If you're playing on a Nintendo Switch and recently changed your time to time travel in other games, or if your Windows PC clock is slowly drifting, you must fix it. Go into your console or PC system settings, navigate to the Date and Time menu, and ensure Synchronize Clock via Internet or Set Time Automatically is turned on. Restart your device to securely refresh your network certificate. Next, error code 100 frequently triggers if your game client is quietly running a slightly different hotfix version than the host, or if your background Microsoft login session has timed out. First, check the bottom right corner of your Minecraft main menu to ensure both you and the host are on the exact same version number. If you perfectly match but still get the error, go into your Minecraft settings, click on the Account or Profile tab, and explicitly sign out of your Microsoft account. Close the game completely, relaunch it, and sign back in to force the servers to issue a brand new, uncorrupted multiplayer session token. Finally, because this is explicitly a P2P or peer-to-peer error, your internet router or network firewall might be actively blocking direct data connections to other players. If you are playing Minecraft Education Edition on a school network, their IT firewalls often intentionally block P2P gaming. You must test your connection on a personal home network or mobile hotspot to verify. If you're at home, check your console or PC network settings to ensure your NAT type is set to open or moderate. If your NAT is set to strict or type 3, you must log into your internet router's admin panel and enable UPnP to permanently unblock multiplayer connections. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.